Hello, my name is Martin Moore and this is one of my trick tutorials. Today we are going to learn the trick that is known as the claw. Let's start with one ball. We already are throwing the ball in our cascade pattern. We know that when the ball reaches its highest point and starts to drop, that's when we throw the other ball across. Now, that highest point is more or less eye level and about level or slightly wider than your shoulder. Roughly up there somewhere. What we do with the claw is we're going to grab the ball when it reaches that height. When it's up there, instead of it falling, we're going to grab it. So it comes down much quicker because we're grabbing. So, normal catch, grab, catch. Go and have a practice just grabbing the ball. You're just turning your hand the other way up. Just practice grabbing the ball. And if you can, grab it when it's roughly at this point. Go and have a practice, see how you go, come straight back to me. Let's try it with 3. When one ball reaches that point, you grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Now, I'm grabbing it a little bit harder than I need to, just for the purposes of teaching the trick. In reality, it would look a little bit more like this. So it's quite gentle. Go and have a go with that with 3 and see how you get on. Hopefully you had some success with that. To progress further, what we do now is we pick one of the balls and that ball is always grabbed. For the sake of teaching, I've got a larger ball than the others. Every time it comes to the side, I'm going to grab that ball. Then I'm going to progress to doing it on the other side. Then, of course, every time I grab that ball. Go and have a practice, see how you get on with that. Now, the next stage is simply to catch every ball in the claw. I think you'll agree it's a nice looking trick. It also looks nice from the side. Have a quick practice of that, come straight back to me. Hopefully you had some success with catching every ball in the claw pattern. As you can see, when it's high, it's quite slow and it's quite easy. Look, I think it still looks nice. But as you get smaller with it and the pattern gets tighter, it's a bit more fast and frantic. Go and try that. Try fast and frantic and see how you get on. So that is the trick known as the claw. It's a great trick. It's really worth learning, and in the next trick tutorial, I will show you the next stage after the claw. I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name is Martin Moore. Please hit subscribe, leave me a comment, come back, watch some more videos. Good luck with your juggling, and hopefully I'll see you again sometime.